Hello, today's topic? At the swimming pool.
Isn't it wonderful to be at the swimming pool on such a sunny day?
Absolutely. There's something special about swimming under the sun.
It feels like the perfect way to enjoy the weather.
I couldn't agree more. Plus, it's a great way to cool off.
Do you come to the pool often?
Fairly regularly. I find it helps me relax and unwind.
I can see why. The water has a calming effect, doesn't it?
Definitely. It's like all my worries just disappear when I'm in the pool.
Exactly. It's like a little escape from the stresses of everyday life.
What's your favorite thing about swimming?
I love the feeling of weightlessness and the freedom to move in the water.
That's a good point. It's like you're in your own little world.
Exactly. It's a chance to disconnect and focus on yourself for a while.
Do you have any tips for improving swimming skills?
Practice is key. The more you swim, the stronger you'll become.
That makes sense. I guess consistency is important.
Absolutely. And don't be afraid to ask for advice or take lessons.
Good advice. I'll keep that in mind. What strokes do you like?
I'm a fan of the butterfly stroke, although it can be challenging.
Impressive. One of the more difficult strokes to master.
It took some time, but it's very rewarding once you get it right.
I can imagine. I'll stick to breaststroke for now, though.
Nothing wrong with that. It's a good stroke for beginners.
Thanks. Maybe one day I'll be as skilled as you.
You'll get there with dedication and practice. Just keep at it.
I will. Thanks for the encouragement. Shall we swim some laps?
Absolutely. Let's dive in.
Vocabulary.
Sunny. Weather. Cool. Regularly. Relax. Come. Disappear. Escape. Freedom. Disconnect. Tips. Improve. Skill. Practice. Consistency. Lesson. Challenge. Impressive. Reward. Dedication.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.